Actual assignments, what do I want? So for the form, I'm going to be submitting 2 forms to me. And you have to use them to create a new record and modify existing. So what do? You open up Access and you're going to choose the table that you want to base your form from. Try the same database that you've been working with, right? So you created the database and then you created queries. Let's keep building on that. Use that same database. Pick which table you want to do. Click on the Create tab. And then you want to use a form, right? The forms, make sure you save it. So that's the first one, is I just want to see that very basic use create form command. I want to see that plain all on its own. On the second one, I want you to make one the hard way, right? So either use the form design wizard command. On that one, I want you to change the layout. I don't want to see that stacked layout. I want it to look different. And I want you to add some color. So change up the background color, change the text, whatever you want to do. I'm going to look that you changed the layout and that you changed the colors on the second form. So there's some more detail there. The colors can be whatever you want them, different from the default. I want to see that you made changes. So after you've done that, you're going to have 2 forms. So use one of them to make changes to your existing data. So number 1 is insert a new record. Number 2 is modify an existing record. When you're done with all of that, save the entire Access database and upload the entire database as the submission for that one. Next assignment for this week is reports. So this is simple, right? What I want you to do, I want you to make a report. But this one's, I want it to be based either a table or a query, right? You've already made a query. Maybe you want to turn that query into a report. Very important, make it fits nicely on the pages. For the most part, you should only need 1 page. If there's something extreme going on with your database, go on multiple pages, make sure it still looks nice. Once you've created that report, save it and upload the entire database, again, the entire Access database to Canvas. And then I want a comment on a submission on this one, what your report does. So think about what do reports do, right? You're analyzing information, or you're understanding the information, you're forming opinions. So, what does this report do? Give me a comment, give me 1 sentence about the use of this report. That's the 2 assignments for this week. If you have any questions, let me know. Canvas, everything you need to do this is on Canvas. But if you need any help at all, I am here. I'm going to go ahead and stop recording now. But if you're with me live, this now becomes time for any questions you have.